Are you searching for best stud welder in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on Amazon products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to review top 4 best stud welders on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, HS Autoshot Stud Welder Kit. You can find a lot of stud welder brands out there, out of which HS Autoshot is quite a popular one because of its various offerings, the ultimate in starter kits. KID Contents: upgraded 4550 starter stud welder with exclusive studies technology, upgraded 1016 T-handle slide hammer package of 500 FlexBurt welding studs, the most powerful lightweight stud gun available, super sensitive trigger and handle for one-handed operation, built-in overload protection, grounded 3-wire cable, 2-year limited lifetime transformer. Best features: includes a total of 500 studs, current draw rated at 1500 amps, works with different sized studs. Number 2, Motor Guard Stud Welder Kit. Motor Guard Magnispot Stud Welder Kit, the ultimate dent removal tool, made in the USA. The Motor Guard Magnispot Stud Welder Kit incorporates our exclusive low-heat technology, designed for today's high-strength steel unibody vehicles. With plenty of power for any job, these welders virtually eliminate burn-through, a common problem associated with other models. Available in 7 custom kits, each Magnispot system comes complete with a welder, a slide hammer and a supply of draw pins in a handy storage box. Made in the USA. 5-year warranty. Best features: highly durable and reliable option, uses a power cord of 9 feet in length, comes with a 5-year-long warranty. Number 3, Bestauto Uni-Spotter Stud Dent Welder Kit. There are a lot of stud welder offerings from Bestauto, where most of them offer excellent performance to the user because of the given features and options. This welder stud kit uses high-quality materials, making it easier and faster to weld studs. The ultra-sensitive trigger in the handle can be operated with one hand and has built-in overload protection. In addition, the overheating protection mechanism will be activated when the temperature exceeds a specific temperature, which is convenient for you to use for a long time without worrying about potential hazards. Best features: highly durable design, thermal protection, heavy-duty slide hammer, one-handed simple operation, high-quality repair gun. Number 4, Chicago Stud Welder Repair Kit. In case you are on a budget and still want a stud welder, then you should consider Chicago since it offers various affordable options. The Chicago Stud Welder is the cheapest option present in this video that makes it a great option for those who are on a budget. Everything you need to repair body dents or dings without drilling. Kit comes with stud welder gun, 2 pounds slide hammer, 200 studs and 2 nozzles. Best features: high-powered low-heat transformer with resettable breaker, easy to manage D-handle design. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.